Hi, welcome to this tutorial section on how to create a product for sale on Selar. Let's go on to our Selar account. Accessing it with your preferred browser, the URL is selar.co. I have a tutorial on how to create a Selar account and the necessary initial setups to be done. I'm going to drop a link on that tutorial section within the caption of this video. Now let's log into our account. Automatically my account is logged in because I access Selar on this device already. Now I have 3 products and we'll be going through how to create a product for sale from scratch, so you see how it is done. Now clicking on my products, you can either click here or at the top right corner the menu, and then here there is product, all product, or add products. If you go to all products, it will show you the list of products you already have, and then you will see an option to add new products. But if you do not have products already on your Selar account, which I suppose having the reason why you are watching this video right now, then you just click on add product. Now you choose the product type you want to add. The product creation for all of this is similar. The product I'm going to be adding, I'm going to create, is a digital product. So here I click on digital product and I click on next. It now takes me to the page for this digital product creation. Firstly is image. Now this image is an image of your product which would be shown on the product for visual purposes. So I'm going to click here. Now you can scroll down to look for the photo, or if you know the exact location of the photo, then you can click on browse and go on to the location of the photo. This is the photo I intend to use, so since it is here already, I'm just going to click on it and it will get added to our photo. Now it is added. Next is the product name. So as the photo already indicates, you know what the product we are trying to create. So I'm just going to write the product name here, which is Canva Pro Features Lifetime Access. If you're interested in this offer, I'm going to drop a link in the caption also, so you can get access to this as well. After naming the product, next is the sales price. So I'm going to type in the intended amount for this product, which is 3,000 naira. Below is an option to show strike out original amount. Now let me explain what this is. If you enable this option, then you write an amount that is set to be the original price of the product you wish to sell, and then this amount, when viewed on the sales page, will be striked out as original price striking out, and then something like a promo price for the purchase. So when you drop an original price and this price, having this strike through makes people just have this orientation that, okay, this is a discount sale, which in turns instigate people to even go for the purchase. Now when you are done with that, next is writing about this product. So you have to give a brief information that will make people even want to buy this product the more. I have my description written already, so I'm going to copy this and paste it over there. Then I'll show you how to edit it to look better. So copy back to our Selar, paste it over here. You can see these buttons, these options at the top area they are for different customization of this information on your product. Now, what I mean by customization, I'll be doing some customization so you actually see how it works. For example, this lifetime, this first paragraph, I want it to be way bigger than the rest. So I come up to this normal, here where it says normal. This is where, let me highlight it again. So here where it says normal, this is where you change the size of the text. So I'm going to just drop in the one. Now you see how big it is. Next, I want it to be kind of bolding. So the B is for the bolding option. It's going to get bold. And here is italics if you want italics. The U and underline is simply underlining. Then this one is if you want to add a link to the text. There are so many other options. This one is if you intend to add a photo to the description or a video to the description. You can also have your embedded video or photo that is embedding from a different website or your personal website, or even YouTube. You can embed using their URL, putting it over here, and the content to be embedded to your description. Let's increase this also. Now I'm not going to be making this as large as the first, so let's just put it at heading 3. Okay, heading 3 is not as big. Let's put it as heading 2. This is fine. Let's make it bold as well. I just noticed that this one did not apply the bold effect, so I'm going to do that again. Bold. Yes, that's better. And then all of this, let's increase this as well to 3. Okay, I think I need this to be bigger, so that's fine. Bold it as well, because these are points that I need attention, grab on it. So let's bolden this, and 3 is fine. Yeah, highlighting this price also and changing it to 2. Okay, let's make it bold as well. Bold. This is the best I ever come across. Let's make this one so put it as 2 and bold. Bold. That's fine. So I'm done with the description. I don't want to add a photo to this or a video. Okay, so let's go on to the category. Next is the category. You can also decide to make your product available in the affiliate network. I'm going to talk about that. I'll probably make a different tutorial section on how to add your product to their affiliate network. So next is having a category for this your product that you're creating on the site. And for this product, it is, I'm looking for something that is software and tech. So as you know, Canva is related to software and tech, so this is a very good option for the category. Subcategory, let's see if there's a subcategory that's okay. Up until yes, so that's fine. Product variation, if you are uploading something that has product variation like color or sizes, you can use this. For example, if you are uploading a fashion related item like shirts that has multiple colors or shoes that have multiple size and colors, then you can turn on this product variation and you add the variants. That's about that. Next is more details about the product. Now we already selected digital product before we started this. Now if your digital product or your physical product is something that is a pre-order product, you can toggle this on to identify that it is not available yet, is a pre-order, and when it is out, whoever purchases it will get the item. But this isn't a pre-order, so we're skipping this. Next is category. Now this category, I already have category created in my seller store, so that's why you are seeing all of this. But if you do not have category created yet, then you would need to create your category and it will be added on here. I don't have category for the Canva because that is a tool, so I'll be creating a category for that and adding the item to it. This is not related to anything here, so I'm going to skip this for now, and then we'll go on to the next option, which is you can decide to give buyers access to a file if it is a file access, a file product, a file digital product. Then you can give them access to it, probably video, PDF, anything file related. If once you have this activated, then you upload the file, and when people make purchases, they will have access to the file. But this Canva access is not a file, which is why I'm going to toggle this off. We're not giving them access to any file. Instead, we're giving them access to a URL link invite. So for that option, we'll click on the automatically redirect the buyers to an external URL after purchase. Now, once this is clicked, activated, you type in the URL that you want them to be redirected to. So I have put in the link that they will get redirected to after purchase. This is the URL link they get redirected to after purchase to access the Canva Pro group. And then we click on the create button over here. So create product. Our product has now been created, but we want to customize this URL. This link is a link to this particular product we just created. But you see this suffix over here, I want it to be a custom suffix, not just this auto-generated. For that, we'll scroll down again and go to customize URL. Now this is the suffix I'm telling you about. We're going to click on edit and change this. We'll customize that so it has a custom suffix there. So I'm going to put Canva Pro. If your suffix is already in use, when you click on this check mark, it's going to tell you it is not available. So let's see if this suffix is in use or not. So I'm clicking on the check mark. It says URL already taken. So let's add something to it. Canva Pro feature lifetime access. So I put it as Canva Pro features lifetime access. Let's check if it is taken or not. Now this is available. You can see it has been activated as that. And then we'll click on this update product again, just to be sure that this change has taken place, so that we don't have to come back here to do it again. Here you can see your product link, and the product link has been updated. Let's go back to our Canva dashboard. Initially, this product was listed at 3, and we've just added one more. You can see that it has updated to 4. So let's click on here and see our products. These are the list of products that I have created on the account, and this one over here is the one we just created, Canva Pro lifetime access. It's showing you that this is live. This is deactivated. I deactivated it, so you have an option to actually deactivate a product that is on your dashboard that you have access to. to deactivate or activate a product, or even editing a product, you come to the menu option, and then you can see menus regarding to that particular product that you clicked on. So there's option to edit it. If you need to change things like information within the product, you can edit it, and it takes you back to that editing page that we just finished right now. Now for this deactivated item, if you want to activate it again, you can see the activate option over here. Now back to our Canva, we have everything set already. Let's now preview this thing to see what we just did. So I click on the option, and here view public link. So when you view public link, now you see what people are going to see when they click the URL that we just customized, which that link is what we will be promoting. So clicking on it, let's see what it looks like. So this is it. This is what we just created. This was the photo we uploaded. I told you about this. And then down here is the product details that we customized. Now there, it shows you a brief detail, and then it gives the option to view more details. So if you have a very long details like my own, it gives the viewer option to view more, and then they can see the full detail of the product. Now I talked about the strike through original price. This is it. You can see 15,000, and it has a strike through, and then the price being sold for here 3,000 naira. Now someone accessing this, a potential buyer, has the option to now click on the buy button and go on with the purchase. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial section on how to create a product for sale on Selar. Do give this video a thumb up to make the algorithm show it up to others who need to see it. Ask questions and make tutorial requests via the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on upcoming tutorial sections. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, and see you on the next one.